Hello, hello, good evening, morning, good afternoon po sa lahat ng mga amigo, mga ka-amigo po. Thank you to all of you. Mag-ingat po. Siyempre, of course, sa walang sawang support sa aking balita o breaking balita po nga problem vlogger po. Thank you sa lahat. Mag-ingat po. Again, mag-ingat po. Take care everyone po. So, sa ngayon, meron akong break balita tungkol po regarding po to sa Philippine na journalist Carmina Constantino po regarding po pag-interview kay Cardinal David po. So, pakinggan po natin ito po yung story regarding po sa what they call topic in the Ghost Project per control problema ng Pilipinas po. So, pakinggan natin o makinig tayo. Tingnan natin po. Ito na po.
Cardinal Pablo Virgilio David has said that lawmakers from both chambers of Congress involved in corruption have previously turned to him, seeking moral counsel. In an interview with veteran journalist Carmina Constantino in her podcast, Casey After Hours, David said the lawmakers sought his counsel since they, too, were Catholics. Read, Flood Control Corruption Cripples PH Business Confidence. While David did not specifically identify who these lawmakers were, he shared that they turned to him about their experiences of corruption, some even seeming to be unaware that what they were doing was wrong. We will not turn down people who, in all honesty, are really seeking our spiritual and moral advice, whatever their reputation may be, said David. And I was surprised that in some instances, some of them don't see anything wrong with the politics of patronage. Sometimes they even justify it by saying, well, it will go to the poor anyway, or to their constituents, and then, of course, some of it ends up in their own pockets, he added. Asked why he thinks these lawmakers sought his guidance, David said it may have been due to guilt. For moral and spiritual guidance, and I think that means there is guilt on their part also, said David. This, he said, may be a sign that the same lawmakers recognize that the country needs moral recovery from what he calls social cancer, which in turn could also be a sign that they still have conscience. Now, many of them are waking up, and that's good. They're starting to feel hurt, which means their conscience is alive. It's not dead yet, it's still alive, and it can still change, said David. Despite this, David said the lawmakers he talked to did not explicitly say if they were willing to be jailed. When I asked, what are you willing to admit? How far are you willing to go? Of course, they fell silent. And then, there was someone who said, I know the legal implications of that, am I willing to face those implications, shared David. So to them, it's an offer, at least they know, they are aware of it. You leave that to them and I cannot impose it on them, he added. Talk of corruption has reached a high and boiling point after a recent discovery that many flood control projects turned out to be non-existent, or what?
So yan po regarding po yan sa flood control project po sa garapan nga problema o corruption ghost project ng Pilipinas po. So good evening sa lahat at mag-ingat, take care everyone. Thank you po at sana magustuhan ninyo itong balita regarding po sa voice ng pag-interview kay Carmina Constantino to our Cardinal David po sa Manila. So yan po ang balita. Thank you again sa lahat. Mag-ingat. God bless everyone po.